Okay.
नहीं दे रहा है कुछ भी.
Okay, we have Sohail here now. Let's listen to Sohail.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. You can start.
Yes. My name is Sayyid Sohail, Sayyid Rasul. Stage, polite person. Qualification, I am studying in last year. My hobbies are traveling, different food and playing. My hometown, I am belong to Nanded, Maharashtra, India. I am also interested in playing sports, teaching, also reading, learning, etc. My role model is APJ Abdul Kalam. My family background, my father name is Sayyid Rasul. My mother name Sayyid Anisa Begum. Also, I have joined Paramount Institute. My learning, my speaking, my personal development, English development, and also more and more any many more. Thank you, ma'am.
Sohail, are you performing first time?
Yeah.
Very nice. I'm listening to you first time, and I want to tell you that if you do little practice and regular practice, you can develop faster. You know.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Next, we can see Chandni, and along with Chandni, we have Mofid, and Dipali is also there. So who is coming next? Karmveer is also there. So if you are ready, any of them, please come in the mic so that we can finish listening to everyone. Yes, Karmveer, please. Please come in the camera.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening. First of all, thanks for giving the opportunity. My name is Kramvi Sharma. I am from Ambala, Kent, Haryana. I am sales executive in a Sunglow company. I have a bachelor degree in commerce from Kurukshetra University, Haryana. I have 3 years experience in HR executive and 1 year experience in sales executive. And there are 7 members in my family. And my career objective is I will become a businessman. And my hobbies are playing cricket and watching cricket also. That's all about me. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So you are basically preparing MBA, right?
No, ma'am. I'm preparing for IELTS.
IELTS. Okay, fine. Okay. So how long have you been preparing for IELTS?
मैम अभी तो 1 month ही हुआ है.
Means it is just in initial stage of your learning, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Acha. So you want to go for like study purpose or for a permanent like that working visa?
For a study, ma'am. For a study. For a study, ma'am.
For MBA, right? For
yes, ma'am.
That.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you do any work also? Like, are you into some business right now, or you will start later?
Okay, ma'am.
आपको कोई अभी business है या फिर बाद में शुरू करेंगे?
नहीं, मैम. अभी मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ.
आप जॉब कर रहे हैं? अच्छा, कहाँ जॉब कर रहे हैं? विच सेक्टर, विच डिपार्टमेंट?
मैम सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव इन सन ग्लो कंपनी इन
अच्छा,
चंडीगढ़.
okay. So you want to develop your career in marketing only, or you want to be the part of any other branch in business?
Last 5 years I job in sales executive, so regularly that's
So you
उसी
have
stream
got,
में आगे जाना चाहूंगा.
you have got
Yes, ma'am.
experience in this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. No issue. If you keep continuing, keep listening, keep speaking, you will be able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
crack your IELTS for all 4 sections, and speaking will also be good.
That's why I'm joining Dr. English classes.
You will have great command over this. Yes, you need to go with the listening commonly, because understanding based questions are there, listening is there, right? And speaking is there.
Yes, ma'am.
And you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
also
Thank you,
develop
ma'am.
your reading skills and writing with that.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone else? एक काम करते हैं, आई विल लिसन टू द अदर स्टूडेंट्स. वो 2-3 बज गए हैं, कोई बात नहीं, इनको मैं थोड़ा कल सुनूंगी. आज कुछ चीजें बता देती हूँ, बहुत जरूरी है. थोड़ी सी गाइडेंस अबाउट टेक्निकल terminologies, I would say. This is a technical part of English language, so don't worry. If you are not able to perform, you can perform tomorrow, not issue in anything. And if you are not that confident to perform, you should not be sorry about it. It is my opinion. Don't feel sorry. Go with practicing every day and do not leave any of the performance. Let me tell you one calculation here. Your class is basically for 60 minutes, I think, correct? At least for 60 minutes, your class is there. If we leave all the 2-3 minutes here and there. So our class is for 60 minutes approx. And if you speak for 2-3 minutes, like Pushpendra has spoken, or some other students have spoken complete introduction, detailed introduction, right? So they have spoken for more than 1 or 1.5 minutes. Am I right? यही हुआ अभी, ठीक है? लेकिन
Yes, ma'am.
some students have spoken for little time. 30 seconds, 40 seconds. Count that if you are getting chance every day, you should not speak only for some seconds. Increase your time and at least put an habit of speaking at least for 1 to 2 minutes. मतलब 60 मिनट में से आप सिर्फ 30 seconds बोले. Very less, right? Think personal presentation. How much have you listened? That is a different skill development, but how much have you spoken is the major point here. I hope you must have got this calculation, right? So next time, whenever you are speaking, try to give everything about you. Try to capture your own time, okay? And then speak on that. So remember that your preparations should be up to the mark. ठीक है, 1-2 दिन चलता है शुरू में. Second thing, whenever you are given any presentation to be presented, do not skip it. भागना नहीं है उससे, because your that 30-40 seconds speaking will also help you. नहीं बोलना, 0% speaking will not help us. And kitne topics we'll leave like that. Okay, so we don't have to skip any of the topics. We have to say to our mind, our heart, our body, our mouth, every sense organ that we have to go with the presentation. Don't feel sorry about any bad performance, because in the beginning nothing is bad or good, everything is a try. So keep trying. Okay, now there are some common corrections which everybody should know. Let me just tell you those corrections. If you like listening to music, if you like listening to songs or anything like this, you should go with listening to. Remember, listen मतलब होता है सुनना. I like listening. Listen और listening के बाद आने वाला कोई भी चीज के बीच में to जरूर लगता है. So I like listening to songs or music. If you speak, I like listening music, listening songs. If you don't use to grammatically, it is incorrect, so correct it. It is a common mistake, I would say error, people generally do that, so it's okay. And so be very careful about it. Very anytime when you say I like listening to music, that too should be there. I have set in my mind like this, you should also. Okay, next is when you say my father's name is, you speak very nicely but you don't speak the apostrophe s. ये apostrophe ऊपर वाला apostrophe s का मतलब होता है हिंदी में का की के. So when you are telling your father's name, you are leaving that ka from there. You are not showing that possession papa का नाम. Apostrophe s is for possession, father's name, mother's name, friend's name, brother's name. You when you are speaking, remember, if you don't want to sound as a Hindi speaker, आपको वो fathers और mothers name जरूर लगाना है. Remember this. ठीक है? Many students did that, so be careful. It is common. They are very common corrections. Who has done and who have not? Don't focus on that. Just see what can be improved here. Next one, I have interested or I am interested. Which one is right? I am interested, है ना? तो I am interested is the right phrase. I have interested नहीं होता है. इसका मतलब होता है मुझे रुचि है. I am interested in. So I am interested in singing, speaking, writing, reading, and many more activities. हम etc. इसको यूज करते हैं written English में. Written English जो लिखी जाती है, spoken English जो बोली जाती है, उसमें etc नहीं यूज करते हैं. उसमें कह सकते हैं and many more. You can also say and so on. So on means और भी कई सारे हैं. etc is used in written English, and in spoken English we should say and many more and so on. का मतलब होता है etc, जबकि वो बोला नहीं जाता, वो लिखा जाता है. ठीक है? Remember this. Okay. One more is there. Somebody said my last qualification. Don't say my last qualification. My highest qualification. Our post graduation or any professional degree is called our highest qualification or highest education. इसको education भी बोलते हैं, इसे education भी बोलते हैं. Both are right. ठीक है? अच्छा, next है, जब तक weaknesses कोई पूछे नहीं, बताना नहीं है. तो जिन लोगों ने कहा है I am not confident, थोड़ा सा ऐसे मुस्कुराकर भी बोला है. मुस्कुराकर बोलने से भी वो सही नहीं हो जाता है. So not to speak without asking. Don't speak if I never asked. ठीक है? ध्यान रखेंगे इस चीज का. एक और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज मैंने सुनी. देखो, करियर मतलब होता है भविष्य, और शब्द होता है कैरियर. कैरियर साइकिल के पीछे लगा होता है भाई. जो सामान ले जाने वाली चीजें होती हैं उनको कहते हैं कैरियर. गुड्स कैरियर, सामान वाहक, सुना होगा आप लोगों ने. तो वो CARR काय से बना है? कैरियर. कैरियर बना है कैरी से, सामान ले जाने से बना है कैरियर. राइट? Y हटाकर IER. Do not say my career objective. कैरियर नहीं लेके जाना है बाबा. इट इज कॉल्ड करियर. वो ए का साउंड नहीं है. दिस इज द साउंड ऑफ अ करियर. सो माय करियर ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू बी अ गुड पर्सन or to be a successful person, and my vehicle is a good carrier of me. Right? So carrier and career में difference होता है. Be a good native English speaker. Stop doing such silly errors which may sound more desi. कोशिश करें उस चीज को थोड़ा सा धीरे धीरे कम करते जाएं. Don't be a foreign speaker. Don't need that. Indian English भी बहुत अच्छी होती है, but English should be there. These are some common correction which I could found in your performance. I could get actually in your performance. and I want you to continue learning, add these correction into your presentation. ठीक है? Is that okay? Clear? So whenever you are using listening, remember that listening to music, listening to song, listen के बाद कुछ भी हो to जरूर लगाएं. Apostrophe should not be forgotten. I am interested in ही होता है. अच्छा, कुछ लोग कहते हैं मैम फिर interest कैसे use होगा? बोलो ना, I have an interest. I have an interest in music. तो have के साथ interest लगता है. Interested के साथ हम लगाते हैं interested के साथ m लगता है. ठीक है? Other things are commonly done. Okay, I have taken a screenshot of this also. I'll share with you the corrections and all. ठीक है? तो आप लोग आराम से देख सकते हैं. Tomorrow we'll be learning how to start a conversation. बातचीत कैसे शुरू की जाए और उसे continue कैसे किया जाए. ठीक है? So see you tomorrow. आज मेरी एक नई क्लास है 8 बजे. So I am leaving the class on time today. I hope you must have enjoyed learning and got the corrections. You will definitely make them in your presentation next time. Okay?
Okay,
The
thank you, ma'am.
conversation. Tomorrow we will be discussing about baatcheet, that is conversation. Okay? Bye. Take care. Good night. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Bye. Thank you, ma'am.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.
Good night.